Hello everyone, welcome to this new class. In this video, we will discuss about List Iterator. Till now, we have seen why is a collections framework used, how it is helpful in List Iterator, how it is helpful in array list. Now, in the array list, we may want to traverse the entire array list one by one. So, List Iterator is a cursor that allows us to traverse the entire array list. Not only it is used for array list, but it is also used for stack and other type of classes as well. So how does list iterator work? List iterator provides us a cursor which keeps on moving forward and backward as we move on. So initially the cursor is pointed to the start of the array list. Now we can probe the array list to find out does it have the next element, and we can move the cursor forward and backward. And while moving we keep on asking what is the next element and does it have the next element or not. So this is simply a cursor that allows us to find out if there is a next element. If there is a next element, we can move further that cursor. So how does it help us in any ways further? So we can print the entire list one by one through this iterator, and also we can traverse further and backward, which can be used for various algorithms that can be used for. So it might not always be possible, or it might not always be required for us to find out the exact element. We may want to traverse one by one to solve various other problems which are very practical. For example, how do we use list iterator? So list iterator, we already have an array list. So we have defined an array list in which we have added four elements. Now we want to traverse one by one these array list and print out. So as and when we are moving further, iterating further, initially the array list is there is a single array list, and initially the list iterator will pointing to the cursor will point to the first before the first element, and will keep on moving further as and when we keep on asking next. So we define the list iterator, and we define the list iterator on this array list we have defined. Now on this array list we have defined the list iterator. We keep on moving further till the time, so iterator will probe does it have the next element. If it has the next element, we probe further and print out that element, and we keep on moving further, keep on moving further, keep on moving further. This is how we will move in the forward direction. Every time we move further, the cursor keeps on moving further till the time there is even a single element in the array list. Now at this point there is no element in the array list, it is pointing to the last element in the array list, that list iterator. Now we can traverse backward as well. We can keep on asking if it has previous. If it has previous, we keep on printing the previous element. There is a question for you. You can try it out at your own. What happens if we start traversing backward without traversing in the forward direction? What do you think should happen? And there is a question for you which you can practice as well in this review question. So there is a problem given to you. What could be the output of it? You can pause it, although the answer is given to you, but still you can pause it and try it out. Thank you very much.